Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2024 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R. This inline 4-cylinder super sport just arrived with only 8,600 miles. Super cool red chrome color wrap. Wait till you hear that aero exhaust. This bike's getting brand new tires, fender illuminator. This thing is awesome. Come on by, make your super sport dreams come true for just $11,999. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock.